Sick of wasting hours updating the same Excel reports every week? This AI workflow turns manual Excel grind into a 5-minute refresh you can copy today. Welcome to AI for Grown-Ass Professionals. Last video crushed email. This one kills Excel busywork for sales, ops, or any job with data drudgery. You know the drill. Copy-pasting from 5 sources, recreating charts that never match, and formatting hell before every meeting. This steals your prime hours. AI fixes this by turning your raw data into live, interactive dashboards. No VBA, no formulas nightmare. 3 steps. Feed your data to AI, generate summaries and charts, and build a one-click refresh dashboard. Step 1. Grab your latest report data, sales numbers, metrics, whatever. Copy from Excel or CSV. Paste into ChatGPT or Claude. Act as my data analyst, analyze this. Give key insights, trends, and formatted tables ready for Excel. Step 2. AI doesn't stop at tables. Ask it to create 3 charts: monthly trend, top performers, forecast. Step 3. Make it reusable. Link to Google Sheets with AI add-ons. Set a button. Refresh report runs your prompt on new data. Weekly 2-hour report, now 5 minutes. That's 100+ hours a year back. Pro move, share dashboard links with your team. They see live data, you look like a wizard. Use anonymized data for security. Like if you've wasted hours on Excel this week, YouTube will show this to more pros who need it. Excel hell is over. Next, AI makes meetings suck less with auto notes. Subscribe for weekly workflows.